Hi everyone! Yay! It's Wednesday. It's halfway through the orientation week, and we finished settling in, and we got the table up. I guess Steena got the table up, and we are at Jenny's place. And
it's our place.
Our place? Yeah!
Steena totally set it off.
And we're having the first home cooked meal in this apartment, right?
I know! First one since Saturday.
Yeah, it's porridge. 稀饭
稀饭 牛肉稀饭
Yep. Foodie time! 得劲是啊，你们不吃？いただきます。So this week has been pretty fun. Not bad. The orientation week.
Very productive.
Very productive. We got internet set up. Meet a lot of new people, new friends. All the co-interns from different departments all seem super nice, and everyone's very nice to each other. So I really like the environment of our hospital.
Been house hunting?
Oh yeah, we have been house hunting by Visalia. That went really well. We put in a deposit.
Not deposit,
or
reservation
fee. So hopefully it will go through and we'll have a place to live.
But then Jenny is very sad because they won't be here for that long. And I'll be alone.
It's really close here.
We'll be here another month or so.
You'll be like, I'm here more, I'm only coming home to sleep. Other than that, I'm there.
Yep. So I still have another week of orientation after this. You have 3 more weeks?
I have a whole month.
You have a whole month of orientation.
Oh wow.
So I would be starting to have patient contact in another week.
I'll see Jason in the OR.
Yay! Best buddy, anesthesiologist, and surgery. Alright, time to eat.
First home cooked meal is not pizza. Oh my god.
Thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 JS Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。